Yo ninjas and Kaio, welcome to this new series of daily videos to level up your power moves. I will upload one video per day from December 1st until December 24th. In each video I'm gonna show you some exercises or a little combo to improve your power move. We're gonna start easy in the first episodes so you can still follow them if you are a beginner as well, and we are gonna increase the level step by step. The goal of this 24 video program is to improve your power move control and create new combos and opportunities with the power moves you have. Beside this program, I'm also gonna post daily on Patreon from December 1st to December 24th. In my daily Patreon videos, I'm gonna focus on how to be more creative with the power moves you have and with the combos that I'm teaching in these tutorials. So make sure to join my Patreon, link in the description, and let's start! In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you a fake power move combo. We're going to take some moves that we learned in the previous episodes, we're going to put them together and build a combo with them. The first move will be a flare variation that we have seen already. If you don't know how to do these moves, I will leave the links in the description. So the first move is a flare slash reverse one step. The reverse one step is this one here. The flare, you know already what it is. So the first move is this one here. The second move we are gonna do, it's another fake flare, this one here. But from here, from this position, we're gonna lift our hips up and we are gonna tread inside. But we're gonna be with our hips up like this. So this second move here is gonna be a mix between a fake flare and a fake swipe. I'm gonna show you again. Like this. When we tread inside and we are here, we're gonna slide our knee backwards and do this movement here, this slide in a circle that we have already seen in a previous episode. Don't worry guys, if you haven't seen these tutorials, I'm gonna leave the links in the description. So actually you can do this second move in 3 different ways. The first way is just doing it like a flare, so staying with your hips low, like this. And doing the move low, in this way. The second way is doing it in the middle, like not so low like a flare, but not that high like a swipe. So starting low maybe, like this, but then going high and then going low again. This is the second way. The third way, you can do it exactly like a swipe. So from here, don't slide anymore, but you can go like this, like in a swipe position, jump to the other arm and slide like this. Actually, this is up to you. If you want to make it look more like a swipe, do it higher and don't slide with the foot on the floor, but directly jump in this position, jump here. If you want to do it like a flare, stay with your hips lower and just slide and do a circle, staying with your hips very low. If you want to do it like in the middle, you can start low like a flare, but then push your hips high like a swipe. Up to you. After this slide, we are here. We want to kick exactly like a backspin, but this time we don't want to do a backspin, we just want to kick and place the right leg in this position, in a back row or tap knee position. We're gonna keep turning the left leg, so the left leg is doing a big circle like this, and then from here it's treading inside. Here, from this position, I want to give you 2 options this time. The first option, after the tread inside like this, is catching the freeze and going to a tower freeze or a windmill, or from the tower freeze you can restart the combo and doing it over and over again, up to you, or you can connect other moves. Second way to end the combo, from here, from this big circle, you keep sliding, and from here you kick this leg backwards, and you do a hook, and you end up in a hook in this way. So from here, you do a big circle, you tread inside, you kick and you hook. You see I'm lifting up the left foot from the floor, so I'm not staying here because if I stay here I cannot catch the foot. But from here I want to lift it up, catch, and while I catch I turn towards my right shoulder and I hook. And from the hook you can kick and kick like we already did in previous tutorials, or you can do something different this time. So from the hook you can lift yourself up on your elbow and then to your hands, reaching a footwork position. So again, from here you have many options. The first one is going to a tower freeze, like this, and then doing whatever you want. Second option is doing the tread inside, hooking, going to a hook, still staying on the back, and maybe doing 1 and 2 and reaching your shoulder. Or maybe from the hook you can lift yourself up and go to footworks, for example, or you can do anything you want actually. These are just few examples on how you can use this combo. So I'm gonna show the whole thing slowly again. One fake round of flare, like this. From here we turn, and from here we wanna do the second fake flare that will be like this, but then lifting our hips up, sliding, reaching this position, kicking, doing a big circle with the left leg, treading inside and reaching a taro freeze. This is the first option. Let's do slowly the second option, fake flare. Maybe this time I want to stay very low with my hips, so I stay here, I turn again, and this time I want to keep sliding, kicking and reaching a hook, maybe on my elbow, or maybe I want to keep staying on my shoulder, on my back. And I want to do this like we did in the previous episode. I'm going to show you the swipe version, so staying with the hips higher. So fake flare as usual, and from here, hop, hop. Try to play with this combo, try to do it in different ways, maybe film yourself, film the different options you have so you can check them and you can decide which one is better for you. Because when I show you, maybe for me, like for example the flare version, the low flare version looks better than the swipe one, but maybe when you do it, it looks different, and in your case the swipe one is better than the flare one. So don't choose the moves based on how I do them, but try to do them by yourself, try to film them and try to figure out by your own. To get more creative with this combo and with your power moves, join my Patreon link in the description. As I said in the beginning, we are going to increase the level step by step. If you want to follow this program and try these combos, maybe you can try to post your videos and tag me on my Instagram at Kaio so I can check your progress about these combos and exercises, and I will share your posts on my Instagram story. Doesn't matter if you do it fast, you can do it slowly. See you tomorrow with a new combo and new exercises. Yo ninjas!